All right, we're starting off with Aquafina. We drank a little bit before.
No, man.
We got thirsty.
I think Cooper got a little
full
thirsty.
bottle of Aquafina.
Wow. Give me a sip.
All right. I'd consider it a little below average for the price, around $2.
So you're saying it's not worth the price for the bottle?
No, not at all worth the price. The bottle alone, eh.
All right, here we go.
I don't like that it has bubbles in it, or whatever those little things. It makes me feel like
It has a little aftertaste. A little aftertaste behind the water.
It's definitely different from the Kroger brand water. I'd say it's just a slight bit better. It has a little bit extra flavor.
it makes me feel gross. Because it makes me feel like there's like chunks of food in my water.
Enrique is not a fan of the
I don't
flavor.
like-
He likes
I don't like-
flavorless water, so
I
he
don't
is kind
like
of the Kroger guy.
I'm not a fan of, like, you know, after you're done drinking water and you're kind of tasting it in your mouth, you're just like, this texture.
And you get that nasty plastic flavor?
Yeah, it tastes
Yeah.
like
It does have a plastic flavor to it.
Yeah.
which I do not like. I do not like a plastic flavor in my water. I like.
I actually prefer chunks of plastic in my water.
Yeah.
You know, it adds to the flavor.
That-
a little
like-
bit texture to it. It's my favorite.
Yeah.
Next.
Alrighty.
On to the next
On
one.
to the next one.
Dasani, or that's a knee.
A knee?
A knee. Dasani.
Yeah, the bottle does say enhanced with minerals for a pure and fresh taste.
But I'm pretty sure they all say it. Or
Well,
like something related to that.
Yeah.
for most people.
The trash water. We will see. Oh, I mean.
And you get that pour.
This is so fancy.
Alright.
This one's really bubbly too.
Why yours is? Yours
why
is-
am I drinking Sprite? Why are all these
Mine's
water
not as
Sprite?
bubbly, but I think
Yeah,
it's because
yours
yours
is
was
bubbly.
dropped from Niagara
I guess
Falls.
Yeah, I was gonna say like.
Definitely more.
I'm gonna be
Yeah.
honest. I don't like that one at all.
I don't think Dasani's even that bad.
Kind of tastes like pool water to
I
me.
don't think it
It's
deserves.
cool. It's
I don't
pool
think it
water.
deserves.
Have you swam in a pool before?
I'd give this
Oh,
like.
have you drank straight out the hose? This is kind of what
It's hose water. That's
Yeah,
exactly what
that's
it is.
good water.
That's not
That
good
is
water.
quality
No,
water.
this
After
is not
you
quality.
Played
No.
outside in the hot sun for an hour with your friends.
But it doesn't remind me at all of like actual
of like childhood memories.
So you're saying you would pay
leak
for
in
hose
there?
water?
Yeah, I would.
I would not pay for
This is
hose
good.
water.
I like
yeah,
it.
that's supposed to be free. You're supposed to just run up.
Yeah, you can walk to your neighbor's
that
house
thing
and just
straight
drink
out
out of there.
I'd give Dasani
I
A
put
B
that
plus.
that
a B+.
below average, definitely a D.
I put D tier.
I think you guys are just
D,
following the
yeah.
crowd.
D tier.
I'm not following the crowd. From
think you
this,
guys are.
this definitely worse than this. But these together, definitely worse than this. In my opinion.
Okay.
In my opinion, of course.
Smart water. I don't think Enrique can drink this. So, to be honest, it does say smart, so I don't know how that one's gonna work. Jackson, do you notice
Alright.
any labels
So-
that point out?
Kind of an
This
ugly
one,
bottle.
this one got some stuff on it.
That's what I mean.
It's very basic, even more basic than the Kroger brand. Like,
There's not
like this,
really
this
a
whole little, you know, that noise it makes.
Yeah.
This one,
Oh, what is
nothing special.
What is
about
that?
this. Okay, this paragraph, it's good. Yeah, just
I-
at the ACT. Oh, I gotta pull out my smart water. Your
Just so
score
you can
bumps up
fail.
2 points. All right, let's see how this goes.
Here we go.
Is it weird to say it tastes like orange juice?
Yes?
Yeah,
That's really
pretty
weird.
Next brand,
I was gonna make it easy for you to
Life
pull that.
Water.
Life Water?
Water.
They
It's
didn't
not
even
water,
spell it
'cause
right.
They didn't spell it.
Let's see.
We didn't even get feed.
We exist to advance sources of creation and creativity, refresh your mind, and restore your body. That's just kind of a general
That's what
statement.
I feel like water. Yeah.
I feel like they're getting very philosophical with water.
Yes, this bottle
Like-
has a
like,
smoother feel.
Is this
to
gonna
it.
bring me closer to heaven by drinking this water? It kind of feels that way. This water has an expiration date on
That's not good.
it. In 2
No.
years, we won't be able to drink this water.
Fun fact: water doesn't have an expiration date. The bottle itself has the expiration date. These bottles can't last forever, but the water can. It's kind of
Well, I don't like this. I don't like it. It
Fun
doesn't make
little-
me feel good about the water.
little science fact for
Are
you.
the
Do you know
electrolytes
how
gonna take
plastic
over?
works?
Yeah, just
Disintegrates?
put it in the ocean. It's good.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
All right. That didn't leave me with an aftertaste. I'm kind of impressed with that one. It was just overall pretty
I'd say
clean.
life water is more of like a vibe water. Where
It
you,
is.
you just sit, you're just like
Yeah.
playing video games or doing homework, whatever. You can just drink life water.
Yeah.
That's why I like it.
That was a good water bottle. I really enjoyed that
I'll
one.
give it an A. Yeah.
It
Definitely live up to the words that they put on.
Life. Yeah, it gives you life.
gives you
Yeah.
life.
All right, next one.
Alright. Now we're getting into the expensive, like the
Top notch.
bougie water, the expensive stuff, the truly like even more expensive than Dasani, and that's telling you something because Dasani is $2. That's a lot of money. All right, now we're moving on. We got two left. Two left. This is like, as I was saying, the bougie water. All right.
All right, now we got the Gucci brand.
Let's see.
A lot bigger bottle of water.
Definitely. Okay.
How do you pronounce this?
Evian.
Evian. A lot bigger.
I'm gonna name my
So
son.
this has
Evan.
got a book on the back of it. I'm gonna read it.
Let's try it. Open her up.
Let's give her a
All
shot.
right, let's give her
You get a whole liter
I'm excited.
of water.
1 whole liter. That's
This
quite
was
a bit.
$3, so this is only $1 more than Dasani, and you're already getting double what Dasani has to offer.
Anything's better than Dasani.
Like it's silent when you pour it out. Like the
Oh.
other ones were like
Yeah.
It's just
sizzling.
like it's like in the mountains in the spring when
the French
this-
Alps.
Wait, this
The
is
French
supposed
Alps.
to taste like French Alps snow,
Exactly.
It's not supposed to taste like it. It's just
It's
where they
from.
got the water from.
but I'd assume it tastes
All right,
like it.
let's give her a shot.
Nah. This ain't it.
I don't think you can handle the expensive water like that. Can.
This tastes like hot. What is it called?
Hot?
Trash. That's what it's
Hot
called.
trash.
Because, dude, it tastes like sprinkler water.
Sprinkler water?
Yes.
What's the difference between sprinkler water and hose water?
Hose water is better after a long hot day with your friends.
Okay.
This is just a lonely day by yourself. That's what this is.
a lonely day by
Yes,
yourself.
that's what this is.
Now, I'm
Make-
gonna have to compare this to the Smart Water because it did have a nice taste with all the electrolytes in it, but it did leave me with a little bit of a bitter aftertaste.
I got no aftertaste from that, so I don't know where you're
I
going.
had a little bit bitter aftertaste.
As I consume it, it tastes like not sweet. What's the word? When like stuff is sour.
Yes, it's sour.
It was like sour
was
when it was
sour.
going in, right?
You guys
Yeah.
got something against the French?
This ain't French Alps. This
Yeah,
is
this is straight from the French.
No. next water.
Core.
Core.
Now this is a very big and long water
Oh,
bottle.
yeah.
How am I supposed to fit this in my book bag? Like, it's so much bigger and longer.
This blue cap right here, I mean, I guess it's like for safety, maybe.
Fancy.
But like, why?
So now we have to see
How
if
do you even
Jackson's
open
strong
What's
enough.
what's the point?
Yeah, I feel like you have to like
Have a
you have to be
PhD.
strong
Oh.
enough to
Oh.
open this water.
Fancy.
Ooh, ooh, no,
Together.
hold on.
They're I didn't know the lids were together.
It comes with the
That's cool.
with the glass.
That's kind of cool.
A
Comes
little
with the glass.
drinking glass.
You want to pour some water in there?
No,
Take
No.
a swig.
I won't use my cup. I think the bottle's ugly.
Definitely,
it's
I
too
agree.
long.
It's
way
too big.
It's too lanky. Yeah.
Like even though it is 30 fluid ounces, which actually, fun fact, it's less than this. Surprisingly, this feels like you're getting like a whole vat of water. Like,
After that trash, I need to
you could
cleanse
say
the palate.
Okay.
It's just too long of a bottle.
Right.
You're gonna knock it over and you're gonna make a mess.
But that's what the lid's for.
But you can get some big gulps out of this
That's
if,
true.
if you just want.
I think
But
that
not
this
as
is
many as the other one. 'Cause The
Evian?
other one did have more
No,
water.
this thing's got the
bigger-
the diameter on the
circumference.
lid itself. Yeah, whatever the heck it is. It's very big. Definitely. If you were just gulping,
I
down
think this
water,
is a
if you needed
workout water.
big
Yeah,
drink.
this is a workout water. If
Yes,
you're
it
sweating,
definitely is workout.
get some core.
Get some core if you're working out.
Yeah,
but I don't
and
work out, so
This
I'm
is like
not
a
getting
it's
core.
like a dumbbell. Oh, you're getting gains from
Do
this
some
bottle.
curls.
Yeah. It's water that slides down the throat easy. It goes down.
Yeah.
It does. It's smooth. It's definitely the smoothest water.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
No
yeah.
aftertaste.
You see how quick I got rid of this one? Every other one, I had to take 2 gulps. This
You're
one,
just a slow drinker.
1. No, I'm not.
I think you're just a slow drinker.
about
You see, I
cold,
can gulp. I could finish all these bottles in like 10,
Overall,
10 minutes max.
Next video idea. Jackson chugs all the leftover water.
I'd give it.
bottles.
Okay, are we ready to get the ones we like the most?
Yeah.
Right.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Life water. Why? Because cool design. I don't really know what it is, but it pops out.
It's a good water. It's smooth.
Exactly. It's
Kinda
casual
solid.
water. You can casually drink it. It's my favorite.
I chose core. It's got more water. It tasted just like life water, but the only reason I picked it was because it had more. So they're the same flavor, but all around, just really good drink.
All right. I picked Evian. I think Evian's it just makes me feel like a rich man drinking it. Like it makes me feel good about drinking the water, which none of the other ones, everyone else failed to do.
So, the most popular out of these 3.
Yeah.
We have to
Which one?
vote on
Which one did
one.
we like the most? Is what we got to figure out.
I say
I'm
life
pretty
water.
sure life. Yeah.
Life water.
A life hit all of them.
If I
Check
had
all of
to,
them.
checked all of them.
Yeah.
this hit home the best.
I was
This
gonna
is
say, yeah.
It's the
definitely the
first one.
cheapest out of the bunch.
This is the 3rd one. This is the first, second, 3rd.
We're not voting on that sense. We're just voting for
Yeah,
which
yeah.
one is the
No,
best.
that's
Can't
just
disagree.
that's just my opinion.
No,
my opinion.
we're not arguing about
Trash. Don't ever buy it.
It's garbage. I wouldn't recommend.
Buy this
No.
before you
Buy
buy
high
this.
C.
Oh yeah, that's probably actually the best.
This whole thing was a high C ad, actually.
Yeah, that's why it's been here this whole time.
Okay, well,
Life is the winner.
the winner out of our
Clear
list,
winner.
of course.
Obviously, it has life in the name.
Yeah, just a good-looking bottle. Very smooth
Overall,
flavor.
simple
No
black.
aftertaste.
Yeah.
Just perfect.
All right,
This is the end of the video.
that's about it.